This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how the USSR worked. The Soviet Union's economic and political system was fundamentally different from market economies. It was built on the principles of a centrally planned economy, where the state held complete control over all aspects of production and distribution. Government agencies, rather than individual businesses or consumers, made all key economic decisions, aiming to allocate resources according to national goals rather than supply and demand. Central planning was the backbone of the Soviet economy. Gosplan, the State Planning Committee, was responsible for setting detailed production targets across all sectors. These targets were formalized through ambitious 5-year plans, which dictated the nation's economic trajectory. Historically, these plans heavily prioritized the development of heavy industry, such as steel and machinery, often at the expense of consumer goods, leading to shortages in everyday items for citizens. Politically, the Communist Party maintained absolute power, permeating every level of society and government. This centralized control meant that individual freedoms and rights were significantly limited compared to Western democracies. The state also heavily utilized propaganda to shape public opinion, promote its ideology, and maintain social cohesion. Education, media, and arts were all tools for reinforcing the party's narrative and ensuring conformity among the population. Over time, the Soviet system faced increasing challenges, including economic stagnation, persistent shortages of consumer goods, and a lack of innovation. Attempts at reform, such as perestroika or restructuring in the 1980s, aimed to revitalize the economy and introduce some market elements, but these efforts ultimately proved insufficient. The system's inherent rigidities and inefficiencies contributed to its eventual dissolution. Remember to check the description below for a link to these fantastic meal prep containers, along with other great deals you won't want to miss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.